If you have a water meter and your bill is higher than you were expecting, then there are some things you may want to check. First, has your usage changed since your last bill? Is it possible that you are now using more water for some reason? This could be explained if you have installed new appliances, such as a washing machine, dishwasher or a power shower. Or perhaps you've used a lot more water outside, such as with a hose, garden sprinkler or pressure washer. Have you had any family or friends to stay or welcomed a new baby or pet to the house? Again, this is likely to require a greater use of water. And what about your plumbing? Dripping taps and overflow problems can lead to an increase in water usage, much higher than you would probably think. If there are plumbing problems, you would be responsible for making the necessary repairs. Have you had any work carried out at the property recently? Any decoration or renovation work is likely to result in more water usage. If you need advice on ways to use less water, you can watch our film, Show Me How to Be Water Efficient, or look on our website, www.dwrcymru.com. If your water usage has not changed, then it is worth checking if your payment plan is too low. Or if you have missed any payments on your previous bill, then these will have been added to your next bill.